Our first RV trip took us to Mount Dora in Eustis, and as you can see, basically it's the same location. This is where we stayed at the Southern Palms RV Resort, and from my desk I had a view of a nice pond, where on occasion you could see a dog driving a golf cart. This is also the place where I got a chance to put up my very first decoration. Let's be honest, it was the only decoration I've been allowed to put up. Here at Eustis, we found Lake Eustis, and this was a nice boardwalk area. So the wife and I went out and took a little stroll. You know, after the stroll, I decided to join a bowling league. And of course, after all bowling, you need to hit the bar, get something to drink. The wife decided to get some oysters, and that kind of concluded that day. Later on in our trip, we had our very first visitor. Our daughter decided to join us. So with that in mind, we decided to take a boat tour. The boat tour was over the local lakes, and here our tour guide pretty much was the Cliff Clavin of Eustis. Enjoy.
Is the railroad that's right here active?
The railroad currently is not active. About a year ago, they stopped the service. Has a lot of repairs, and Tavares and Mount Dora are feuding over who needs to pay the bill. Unfortunately, so follow the money type situation. Lake Apopka, that's the third largest lake in the state of Florida. It's 33,000 acres. And the only man-made section of the whole chain was a channel that was dug in the early 1880s, about 7 miles long, to connect to Lake Beauclair. We'll be going into Lake Beauclair shortly. Everything else is natural. So you go from Lake Apopka to Lake Beauclair to Lake Dora. We pick up the Dora Canal on the other side of the lake. That takes us into Lake Eustis. We would hit Haynes Creek to Lake Griffin. Lake Griffin ties into the Ocklawaha River, the St. Johns, and all the way out into the Atlantic Ocean in Jacksonville. So by water, from right where you are right now, we can go anywhere in the world. Pretty amazing.
He was actually a really good tour guide. So then later on, we found that Eustis had a little festival that was going to be on the first Friday, which we were there from. Typical festival.
Ready?
At vendors.
This is PJ of Perky's Jewels of that famous paparazzi $5 bling. Hope to see you at convention. I'm working on my ticket now. Bless.
Awesome!
And very cute dancers. And some other dancers. And then we had dancers in the air. Did anybody say more cute dancing? Well, the bands, when we got there, things were a little slow, but this band was playing all day, and they were playing all night. What night would be complete without having a little bit of dancing? All in all, so that was our trip to Eustis, there for a festival. Had a great time with our daughter. And if you liked the video, click like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.